Hey guys, really excited to show you a first impression on this rear view mirror right here. This also doubles as a front cam and reverse cam too. That's quite a bit. It's packaged really nicely. Got that thick foam in there. Everything comes in nice and safe. It's always a plus. Warning about taking your eyes off the road. Ooh, check that out. That is nice. So you could do a regular rear view mirror with this. Make a real cool one actually. Or play around with some of the features. There's your reverse cam right there. This thing is sleek. We got our ports right there. Keep everything plugged up so you can put a card in there. I could be wrong. I will have to go through these instructions, but this is something I just needed for one of my work vans. Very necessary for insurance purposes, of course. Crazy driving going on in the middle of downtown. So we got some wiring right here. All the obligatory wiring that we're going to need. There's a can. This is the reverse cam if I'm not mistaken. Again, this is just gathering some first impressions here. Probably go through the instructions. Basically seeing what I get to see as a recipient of this package. It's for your GPS. This thing will display GPS as well. More wiring and plugs. Have a few more clips here. I'll lose these little adhesive things right here. Just keep that together. Look like they go in a corner. Got some little silicone pieces right here. I'll try and keep all the stuff together. Alright. Here's what I'm going to need right here. User manual. There's for streaming and video rear view mirror. So you got 2 instruction booklets to leaf through. So give these a look before you start anything, unless you really think you're familiar with this. But I'm going to leaf through these and learn everything I can about them. I got a little moment right here. I got some time, so I don't want to have to be looking for these later. So I'm going to go through this whole thing and go step by step and do it right the first time. Thanks for checking it out, guys.